Today, we're learning how to add a pixelated blur effect to your videos. This is especially useful if you want to hide something like text, faces, or any sensitive part of your video, or even if you just want a cool pixelated look. First, import your video into the timeline and tap on it to select. Now, look at the bottom toolbar and tap on Mosaic. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find different styles of mosaic like triangle, hexagon, or the standard blur. You can also pick shapes such as a square, circle, or triangle for the blur area. Once applied, drag the blur shape over the part of the video you want to censor. Use the slider to control the size of the pixelation. Drag it up for bigger blocks and down for finer blur. And here's a great tip. If your subject is moving, you can use keyframes. Just set a keyframe at the beginning, then move ahead in your timeline, reposition or resize the blur, and VN will automatically animate it to follow along. You can even adjust scale, position, and rotation as needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a pixelated blur effect in VN Video Editor. Try experimenting with different mosaic types for a unique look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VN video editing tips.